Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lamb leg. Start by selecting a boneless lamb leg, which makes carving simple later on. Next, gently pat the entire surface of your lamb dry using paper towels. This step promotes a beautiful, golden crust. Carefully trim away any large sections of excess fat, aiming to leave a thin layer, approximately 1/4 of an inch, to keep the meat moist and flavorful during cooking. Now, let's infuse incredible flavor into your lamb. Combine freshly minced garlic, chopped rosemary, and fragrant thyme to form a savory herb rub. Add a generous amount of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small amount of lemon zest, which brightens all the flavors. Vigorously rub this aromatic mixture all over the lamb leg, ensuring it adheres well into every crevice, creating a wonderful crust. Achieving a perfectly cooked lamb leg involves precise temperature control. Begin by preheating your oven to a robust 400 degrees Fahrenheit to create an initial sear. Roast the lamb for 20 minutes at this high temperature, then reduce the oven heat to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for the remainder of the cooking time. Continue roasting until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part reads 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a lovely medium-rare finish. The resting period is crucial for a tender and juicy lamb leg. After removing it from the oven, allow your roast to rest on a cutting board for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. Loosely tent it with aluminum foil to keep it warm, allowing the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. When ready, slice the lamb across the grain into beautiful, uniform pieces, approximately 1/4 of an inch thick, for maximum tenderness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.